In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate any image using ChatGPT. It's surprisingly simple, and by following these steps, you'll be able to harness the power of AI to create almost identical reproductions of your chosen images. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will guide you to the official ChatGPT website, which is the platform we'll be using today. After seeing the search results, click on the link that takes you directly to the ChatGPT website. Now, once you're on the ChatGPT page, look for a plus sign. This icon is your gateway to uploading new content, so go ahead and click on it. This action will present you with an option that says Add Photos and Files. This is exactly what we need in order to upload your image, so give it a click. Next, select the specific photo you want to replicate. You might have it ready on your device, so just navigate through your files and choose it. Once you've selected the desired photo, the next step is to initiate the image analysis process using a prompt. Type in a prompt like, "I lack the ability to view the image you are referring to." As an AI, I need you to provide the image or a detailed text description of it for me to conduct the expert analysis you've requested. Then, click on Submit. This request is crucial as it allows ChatGPT to understand the context of the image you uploaded and analyze it accordingly. Following this initial analysis, you'll then need to type another prompt. This time, it should be something along the lines of, using the detailed analysis you just provided, create a single optimized text prompt specifically designed for an AI image generator to replicate this image as closely as possible. Do not add any extra commentary, just the prompt. Submit this instruction to ChatGPT. Finally, once ChatGPT has delivered the optimized image prompt, you'll go ahead and type the last prompt. It should read, "Using the prompt I just had you create, generate the image." This command will guide the AI in utilizing the generated prompt to replicate your image as accurately as possible. Ensure you click Submit once again to trigger the image generation process. And there you have it. Following these simple and precise steps will allow you to replicate any image using ChatGPT with quite impressive accuracy. This tool opens a world of opportunities for creativity and innovation, allowing you to explore AI-generated designs with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy image replicating.